Hey guys, how's it going? So today's video is going to be all about eye creams. I haven't dedicated a video on my channel before just about certain eye creams because honestly, I'll be honest with you guys, I never really took them seriously. Now that I am getting older, I am trying to take them more seriously and use them both morning and nighttime. I kind of think of eye cream as prevention is key. So of course, like, eye cream isn't a quick fix to fix all your wrinkles, all your dark circles overnight, but with consistent use, it can really help better them and then also prevent new ones from forming. Before I get into the products and the eye creams that I wanted to share, I did want to mention just a few key notes that I put down that actually really help in the long run as well. What I find really helps with the swelling, especially if you do this at night, is facial massage. So this is a facial massage from Nurse Jamie. I really like this. I've had this for years and it's super good quality. It's heavy weighted. What I usually do, especially at night, like if you're watching TV or you're just chilling, you can take your facial massager and use the bumpy side just to kind of break up any puffiness that may be underneath the eyes. Then you smooth it out with the flat side, which really helps to take care of like those indents and those puffy bags way underneath. I do have a gua sha too, but I just find that underneath the eyes it's a little too harsh. This is way more gentle for the eye area and it does make a difference within the puffiness when you wake up the next day. The other key points that I wanted to touch upon is obviously sleep. If you're not getting enough sleep, the dark circles and bags will form. But not only sleep, you got to stay hydrated. So I try my best to fill up my mug with water every single day, and not just drink one, but try to drink multiple big quantities of water. I know it's hard. It's like easier said than done, even though it's a simple method for your health and skin to drink a lot of water. But you know, life gets busy and sometimes you forget. But what helps me in the morning time or the night before is I just always fill up a big mug, or this is not a mug, or a tumbler of water, and I just sip it throughout the day. Just the last point I wanted to touch upon is screen time and eye drops. So not only is the skin around your eyes really important, but just think of your eyeballs too. If you're straining your eyes constantly, it's going to really create really harsh muscle tension around the eyes. So what I like to do is, you know, before I sleep, try to cut back my screen time so my eyes aren't straining looking at a phone or a tablet. Your eyeballs themselves, if they feel super dry and irritated, they're just kind of working in overtime. I know this kind of ties hand in hand is using eye drops for my eyeballs so they're nice and moist, nice and comfortable, and I'm not straining my eyes or the skin around it. I've seen it made a really big difference. That was a little intro and just simple type things that you can do that actually go hand in hand with using an eye cream. Now I have multiple to share with you guys, so hopefully you'll find one that is suitable to your skincare routine. The first one that I wanted to share is the Mary & May eye cream. This helps improve dark circles and freckles. It's a lightening treatment. It has antioxidants and is supposed to help illuminate underneath your eyes. This one I've been using since the summertime and I have seen a difference, at least with the overall complexion underneath the eyes. What it really does, it helps even out your skin tone underneath your eyes to help match your complexion on your face. And it does say that it stops melatonin production, so it's really good to use for a spot treatment. Think of it as a makeup concealer. Obviously this is not makeup, but it does the same type of effect. So when you put a concealer on, it brightens underneath the eyes and also tries to match the complexion with the foundation. This is what that does, but on your natural skin. So it will brighten the under eyes and then slowly help match the complexion with your whole face. This is definitely a brightening eye treatment, but the only thing is that this doesn't really help with the puffiness or wrinkles. If you are solely looking for something to help with just dark circles, this one is for you. And I have two eye creams from Purito. The first one is the Purito Centella Green Level Eye Cream. This is a mild anti-aging eye cream with 49% centella and 4 kinds of peptides. It has peptides in it, but it also has amino acids, so it helps with anti-aging, wrinkles, and firmness underneath the eyes. And compared to the Mary & May one, this one is more targeted to plump the under eyes and to really help with the wrinkles and firmness of the skin. What I do really like about this is it's a smooth cream. It's a really great way to start getting into eye creams because it feels almost like a moisturizer, but it's more fast absorbing. This one has a little bit of a scent to it. If you do have a sensitive eye area and you're looking for a non-fragrance one, the Purito unscented eye cream is great as well. Purito Centella unscented eye cream is a lightweight eye cream. This still has 47% centella, and then it also helps to firm the skin and strengthen the skin barrier. So again, like I said, these are great ways to start with eye creams because they are so fast absorbing. But not only are they fast absorbing, I feel like they actually penetrate into the skin. I also feel like these help with sensitivity as well. So not only are they helping with the anti-aging part and the firmness and plumpness underneath the eyes, it really helps to settle the skin down. And it just really the next day made that skin underneath the eyes look nice and plump and juicy. But what's really great is since they are so fast absorbing and they help with sensitivity, you can use these as face creams as well. A little bit goes a long way and it just makes the skin feel so comfortable. As far as dark circles, these don't really help to illuminate or to even skin tone. All these really do is help kind of plump the eyes and smooth out the wrinkles. So I would say that these are a little bit better for anti-aging and for kind of like indented and wrinkly type texture underneath the eyes. As far as the Mary & May, that one's definitely better for dark circles, but still great eye creams. The next eye cream is the Ionic Propolis eye cream. This one is a natural anti-wrinkle eye cream. It helps with the elasticity of skin and can be used as an eye cream or an all-over face cream. Let's say that it's an anti-wrinkle eye cream plus a brightening cream, which I find is true. It's not as illuminating and brightening as using the Mary & May one, but it does do a job slightly. It does help with the hydration underneath the eyes. So I really like this. It is too fast absorbing. It's not irritating underneath the eyes, and it's a good standard morning and night eye cream. I touched my underneath my eyes. It first of all felt more plump. Like I felt physically there was more juice underneath there. Not so much like swollenness, because that's going to feel plump as well, but what it does is that you actually feel like tightness in a like healthy way. This is a great morning eye cream too, because underneath makeup it's a great base for concealer, so throughout the day your concealer doesn't sink into those fine lines. It helps to a layer of protection from the makeup, and it also helps like when you smile or you do facial expressions for the concealer to stay put. Last eye cream is the Lanabelle Ultra Lifting Cream. This has 6 different kinds of peptides and 30% black truffle. It also has collagen and amino acid. This one is a little bit more on the pricey side. It's over $30, but it's more of a like mature eye cream, I would say, and I only solely use this at night. So this has a lot of peptides and amino acids in it, so it targets uplifting that eye area. So if you are looking for an anti-aging, solely anti-aging lifting eye cream, this is the one for you. Packaging is genius. Like you open it up and squeeze it out and the eye cream comes, so you can really control how much you're getting. I've seen balm cleansers like this, but never an eye cream. Compared to all the other ones that I just shared, this one definitely has the thickest texture. So the best way I could describe the texture of this is that it feels almost like a facial primer, like a cream facial primer. It's super thick. Even though this does have a thicker texture, what I really like about it is that it doesn't feel heavy underneath the eyes. And the reason I just use this solely at night is because I feel like the truffle in it, the amino acids, the peptides are really working overnight to help kind of uplift that area and smooth it out. And plus, since it has a thicker texture, I really like it because it helps create kind of a barrier and protection with my other skincare to protect my skin in that area when I am sleeping. I did say that this is a little more expensive. When I looked it up, it was $32.10, but compared to what you would pay in the hundreds, it works just as well. Great anti-aging eye cream. Those were all of the eye creams that I wanted to share in this video. I hope that you found it helpful. I will put all of the links and the names in the description box down below. So in the comments down below, let me know personally what eye cream you use and what you like about it. I love hearing what you guys use in your skincare routines. With that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of the day, and I will see you in my next skincare video. Bye!